How to convert USDC to USDT on Binance. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to AppHacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert USDC to USDT on Binance. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your Binance. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And after doing that, what you'll need to do is, if you're on Binance Lite, you'll need to change it to Binance Pro. For that, tap on the top left corner, and on the bottom, you should see Binance Pro. Tap on Binance Pro, and it will change to Binance Pro. After that, tap on the top left corner on your Binance logo again, and there you should find an option that says More Services. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, scroll down. Scroll down until you find this Trade section. Now, under the Trade section, you'll find Convert. Tap on Convert. And after you tap on Convert, you'll find this option. Now, since we want to convert from USDC to USDT, we'll simply choose that here. So tap on USDT on the top, change it to USDC, and on the bottom, select on that and change it to USDT. Now, doing that, you can simply now type in whatever you want here, the amount, and there we go. It's just changed to USDT. And that's how you convert USDC to USDT, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more.